I didn't see. Honestly, I cannot even answer. But I don't look. Don't look at that. I look at how well do the players who come on, how comfortable they are. Because Danny Welbeck has not played for 2 years. That's for me much more important, than an individual response. That is vital when a player 25 years of age, who is a regular player in the national team, comes on. You have an opportunity to give him game time. That's something that is vital when you come back from such a long injury.